Before the sun, before the sky, before the stars began to fly, there was a breath so soft, so deep, a promise only souls can keep. No form, no name, no time, no place, just light that held the human race. Before we breathed, before we fell, it whispered, I am, all is well. That breath, that flame, that silent song is E-Ha-Rah, where we belong. E-Ha-Rah, the breath of life, the fire behind the sun so bright, not far, not high, not cold, not far. You feel it now, right where you are. E-Ha-Rah, the first I am, the spark within your heart and hand. Not God above, not judging eye, but love that breathes and never dies. The eternal eye, the soul awake, the I am before all name and shape. Ha, the breath, the sacred who, the life that flows in me and you. Ra, the sun, the inner flame, the light no darkness can proclaim. So, Hara means the eternal breath of the living sun, the source from which all life has come. Not to be worshipped, feared or earned, but remember as the flame you've always burned. You thought it lived beyond the sky. No, it lives in your why, in every tear, in every cry, in every time you is E-Ha-Rah. Look in the mirror, feel your breath, hear your heart. That is me.